energy. Stop the scroll, drop the fluff on your energy. Your brain ain't broken, nah, it ain't vanity. It's time to speak loud with a voice full of clarity.
Hey, welcome to Morning Cup of Brand Spark. Today is Saturday, May 17th, and I'm Gina Dunn, founder of OG Solutions. Today's episode is short, sharp, and spicy, because if your brand feels off, but you don't know why, this one's for you. I'm breaking down the 3 signs you're ready for a brand glow up. And if you check even one of those boxes, I've got the perfect next step for you. So let's spark it up. All right. You're not new anymore. You've grown. You've evolved. You've got bigger energy. You've got deeper offers and bolder goals. But your brand, that's still stuck in 2022. So let's just call it what it is. It's time for a glow up. So here's the spark. A great brand evolves with you. A stagnant brand weighs you down. So how do you know it's time? Here are the 3 signs that you're ready for a brand glow up. Number 1, your visuals are cute, but your voice is flat. You may have the polished look, but your messaging still sounds like a template or an AI-generated soup. 2, you keep tweaking your offer copy because you're just not confident it's really landing with anyone. And that endless cycle of writing and rewriting is usually a clarity problem. It's not a positioning problem. And the 3rd sign, you feel a weird kind of resistance every time you post. And I'm not talking about a burnout resistance or a laziness resistance. Just there's an energetic mismatch of showing up as your past self versus who you are now. Does any of this sound familiar? Yeah? Well, then you're ready. If you're nodding along right now, I've got a no-brainer next step for you. It's a DIY brand glow up audit. It's a super powerful, self-led brand checkup. It's the exact clarity tool that I use with private clients, and it'll help you spot what's working, what's off, and where your brand's ready to evolve fast. It's just 37 euros, and you can grab it now at ogsolutions.nl. If you want strategy without overwhelm or hiring of a consultant like me, then this is it. So that's your spark for today. No more tweaking, no more second guessing. You deserve a brand that feels like your next level. Hit follow if you haven't yet. And tomorrow we're digging into something the founders don't talk about enough. Why being uncopyable isn't about originality. It's about voice. Get ready to turn the volume all the way up. I'll see you soon.